Get ready for the ultimate aerial experience. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to take flight in September 2024, and we've got the exclusive lowdown on its cutting-edge features. This highly anticipated drone promises to revolutionize portable aerial photography with its enhanced 1-inch sensor, capturing stunning 48-megapixel photos and 4K 60 FPS video. With a robust flight time of up to 40 minutes, improved obstacle avoidance, and seamless transmission, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to redefine the boundaries of compact drone technology. Stay tuned for a comprehensive review and hands-on experience with this game-changing aircraft. Design. The DJI Mini 5 Pro boasts a familiar design, mirroring its predecessor's compact dimensions and lightweight frame, weighing in under 250 grams. While it may not feature omnidirectional obstacle detection sensors, this drone prioritizes versatility with its innovative vertical recording capability, allowing for effortless capture of stunning portrait shots. The Mini 5 Pro's sleek design ensures ease of transport and deployment, making it an ideal companion for creatives on the go. Although obstacle detection is limited, the drone's refined aerodynamics and intuitive controls ensure a seamless flying experience, perfect for capturing life's moments from a unique perspective. Camera. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's camera is expected to feature a high-performance 1-inch sensor, akin to the acclaimed DJI Osmo Pocket 3, promising significantly enhanced image quality, low-light capabilities, and vibrant color depth. This sensor upgrade will likely deliver exceptional detail, reduced noise, and a wider dynamic range, making it ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos. Alternatively, the Mini 5 Pro might utilize the renowned camera from the Mavic Air 2S, which would also ensure exceptional imaging capabilities, including impressive low-light performance and precise color rendition, further solidifying the drone's position as a creative powerhouse. Obstacle detection. The DJI Mini 5 Pro boasts advanced obstacle detection, powered by AI-driven technology, significantly enhancing its ability to navigate through challenging environments. While this system excels in identifying and avoiding obstacles in open spaces, it may encounter limitations in complex scenarios like dense forests, where the density of foliage and varied terrain could overwhelm the sensors. In such situations, the drone's detection capabilities might be strained, requiring pilots to exercise caution and potentially intervene manually to ensure safe flight. Nonetheless, the AI-enhanced obstacle detection represents a notable upgrade, improving overall flight safety and reliability. Desirable features not confirmed. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to boast a revolutionary dual-camera setup, featuring a telephoto lens that enables capturing distant subjects with clarity and precision. The main camera is speculated to have a variable aperture, allowing for effortless adaptation to changing lighting conditions, ensuring optimal exposure and depth of field control. This dynamic duo is expected to unlock unprecedented creative possibilities, from capturing stunning portraits with creamy bokeh to zooming in on far-off landscapes with remarkable detail. This potent combination of lenses and aperture control promises to elevate aerial photography to new heights. Should you upgrade? If you're using an older model like the Mini 2, upgrading to the Mini 5 Pro is worthwhile. However, if you have a Mini 3 Pro or Mini 4 Pro, the improvements aren't revolutionary enough to justify an immediate upgrade. Consider buying a discounted Mini 3 Pro instead. Stay tuned for our in-depth review of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, where we'll put it through its paces and show you what this drone is capable of. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and reviews.